Note that part 1 had 25 originally, but instead it has 70 questions total, and his series will have 305 questions total.
Hi guys. It's time for me to answer. Note to self, part 1 had 15 questions, plus 10 math, and 40 science questions, plus 5 bonus questions. 70 total, so ask me, then I'll answer.
Are you a male?
Yes. I am male.
What is your favorite color?
Yellow-green.
Are you the tallest Kupaling?
Yes, I am the tallest Kupaling.
What's your favorite food?
Any Mexican food.
What is your personality?
My personality is of glasses, yellowish tan skin, and laughs crazily.
Does your hair looks like a stem?
Yes, as a carrot stem.
What's your favorite Kupaling?
It's Lemmy.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years 2 months and 19 days old.
When are you born and what date?
In August 18th, 2000.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do have one. His name is Chompy.
Do you like to tame dogs?
Yes, I do like to tame dogs.
What's your favorite drink?
Mountain Dew.
Do you like Jacob Reed Harrington?
What?
I said, do you like Jacob Reed Harrington?
In fact I do.
What's your wand color?
Yellow.
How many hours did you spend with Lemmy?
10 to 20 hours per day.
What is 3 plus 5?
It's 8. What is 4 plus 6? 10.
What is 1 plus 5?
6.
What is 4 plus 8?
12.
What is 6 plus 6?
Also 12.
What is 10 plus 6?
16.
What is 10 plus 20?
It's 30.
What is 20 plus 50?
It's 70.
What is 2 plus 2015?
It's 2017, which is the year that's today.
What is 2,864,375,289,875,456 plus 1?
It's 2,864,375,289,875,457.
Wow. I've never seen how you can answer the big math question like that, but anyways, how many electrons does hydrogen have?
Hydrogen has only 1 electron.
How many electrons does helium have?
Helium has 2 electrons.
How many electrons does lithium have?
Lithium has 3 electrons.
How many electrons does boron have?
Boron has 5 electrons.
How many electrons does carbon have?
Carbon has 6 electrons.
How many electrons does nitrogen have?
Nitrogen has 7 electrons.
How many electrons does oxygen have?
Oxygen has 8 electrons.
How many electrons does neon have?
Neon has 10.
How many electrons does sodium have?
Sodium has 11.
How many electrons does aluminium have?
Aluminium has 13.
How many electrons does silicon have?
Silicon has 14.
How many electrons does sulfur have?
Sulfur has 16.
How many electrons does chlorine have?
Chlorine has 17.
How many electrons does argon have?
Argon has 18.
How many electrons does potassium have?
Potassium has 19.
How many electrons does calcium have?
Calcium has 20.
How many electrons does vanadium have?
Vanadium has 23.
How many electrons does chromium have?
Chromium has 24.
How many electrons does iron have?
Iron has 26.
How many electrons does cobalt have?
Cobalt, which is Ludwig's favorite element, has 27.
How many electrons does nickel have?
Nickel has 28.
How many electrons does copper have?
Copper has 29.
How many electrons does zinc have?
Zinc has 30.
How many electrons does bromine have?
Bromine has 35.
How many electrons does krypton have?
Krypton has 36.
How many electrons does zirconium have?
Zirconium, which is Wendy's favorite element, has 40.
How many electrons does rhodium have?
Rhodium has 45.
How many electrons does silver have?
Silver has 47.
How many electrons does tin have?
Tin has 50.
How many electrons does iodine have?
Iodine has 53.
How many electrons does xenon have?
Xenon has 54.
How many electrons does iridium have?
Iridium, which is my favorite element, has 77.
How many electrons does gold have?
Gold has 79.
How many electrons does mercury have?
Well, it depends that Mercury is a...
No, I didn't mean the planet, I meant the element.
Oh, well, in that case, Mercury element has 80.
That's much better. How many electrons does lead have?
Lead has 82.
How many electrons does radium have?
Radium has 88.
How many electrons does americium have?
Well, we all know that americium is named after the United States of America, and americium has 95.
How many electrons does fermium have?
Fermium has 100.
How many electrons does moscovium have?
We all know that moscovium got its name after the capital of Russia, which is Moscow, and originally named Dunium Pentium, and moscovium has 115.
How many electrons does indium have?
Well, it seems that indium got its name after the color indigo, and indium, which is Pikmin Master 6523's favorite element, has 49.
Plus, I want to give you 5 bonus questions. How many electrons does ruthenium have?
Ruthenium has 44.
How many electrons does cadmium have?
Cadmium has 48.
How many electrons does tellurium have?
Tellurium has 52.
How many electrons does thulium have?
Thulium has 69.
And how many electrons does oganesson have?
Well, it seems that oganesson has 118, and oganesson is the final element of the periodic table.